Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Y'all see the title of this video. We're going to be installing this link pipe on the R1 today. It is made by Akrapovic and I'm excited, man. The R1 just does not hit the same when the sound isn't all the way there. So if y'all don't know, the stock exhaust is super quiet. It does have valves, so once you open it up from a certain RPM, it sounds good, but when you put this link pipe on there, it is just gonna change up the whole game. I mean, it's just gonna be wild. I can't wait. So yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy on there and also install this servo buddy so we don't get a check engine light. Start off removing the seat, which you already know, two Allen keys right there, and then I'm probably gonna start undoing these shields right here. I'm gonna undo these in just a second. Let's open up the seat up here. Next up, just remove this panel right here, 4 screws. Try not to strip them. It does take pointy Phillips right there, so just be careful because these do seem like they'd strip super easily. So yeah, this one's already kind of turning. Just took out this bolt holding this whole little assembly together, and it was pretty tough. What I did, because I don't have that many tools at my house, use this, threw this in there, and just loosened it up. Undoing the bottom. Just pull them out of these grooves. Simple as that. I want to show you guys where I'm at right now. Just got done undoing these at the bottom, and now got this unbolted, got the harness unplugged. For me, it was super easy. And now we're going to be undoing this little area with these little screws, and we should get access to the same thing like this up here. Undo it, and then we're going to remove everything down. So we're going to be pulling it out from the bottom. These cables will be coming down, and we should be good to go, and that will just get removed. So yeah, pretty simple. Once we remove this cover, 2 screws holding it on, you guys are going to see how it looks. And then, I don't know why my camera does that. Weird. Get out of it. Alright, do the same thing we did at the bottom. For this, just unhook it, and then we're gonna be just sliding it down. Alright, y'all, we just pulled that whole little system out. And the R1, Yamaha doing a great job at just making it super easy to remove it. There's just this little section right there. You guys see that little bracket or whatever you want to call it, slid right through. All right, y'all, here is the valve. Show y'all it doing its thing. Whoa. But yeah, there's the valve, and now there's gonna be no valve at all, so it's gonna sound way louder. But pretty cool how the R1 system came valved, obviously for emissions and stuff like that, because this basically is a track bike. All right, y'all, so I just got all the bolts out. One right there, and then we had obviously the oxygen sensor we need to remove on both sides. It's gonna look the same, and then loosen this up, and it's gonna be the same thing on the other side as well for that. And then you guys see I just removed the bottom panels right there, and we're basically ready to go. Gonna just push this thing back and remove it. All right, y'all, we just took off the cat and almost forgot to take off this bolt right here, so make sure you do that. That one's gonna be sitting like right here, and after that you should be good to go. And now we're gonna get the link pipe on there, sitting right here. Connect the O2 sensors into that, and then I'll let you know how it's sitting. But yeah, looks so naked down there now. I don't like it. All right, y'all, back at the house now, and I just gotta say, this thing has finally came to life. The crossplane motor does not disappoint. The number one reason I bought this thing, it sounds insane. You guys heard it from the clips before this. This thing has turned into a whole different monster. The shifts when you hit the quick shifter and the pop it makes is, I don't even know how to explain it. I'll have a proper POV ride coming real soon because y'all got to be there for the POV. It is just, you can't even compare it to the third person views. So anyways, I want to show you guys the setup and how it looks like. So obviously we got the Akrapovic Link Pipe, and it's already starting to change colors. Look at that, it looks beautiful. I can't wait till all this section gets colored, but obviously this part's just gonna take way longer. Anyways, so I was having a little bit of trouble aligning up the stock muffler with the link pipe because obviously it's probably not meant for it. So yeah, I had to do a little something right here. You guys could see this obviously isn't lined up where it's supposed to be. So I just put this screw in and got the bolt for the muffler in the OEM section where it's supposed to be. And yeah, we have a little issue right there, but honestly for the time being I think it will do. So yeah, that's the setup we're rolling with right now. Yeah, another clamp down here, the OEM stuff, reused all that, and yeah, that is it. So yeah, we actually before I put this muffler on, I gave up on it earlier, and then we were literally just running the link pipe, and I added a GTR R35 exhaust tip from the Z actually that I had laying around. I was like, you know what, screw it. I didn't want to just leave it as the pipe, so I was like, let's throw a muffler tip on it. And I'll just freaking post the clip right here of us doing a cold start on it. This is gonna be so obnoxious. Sorry neighbors, you guys are gonna love me after doing this for sure. My mom came into the garage immediately and she was like, someone's literally gonna call the cops on you. And I was like, shut it off right away. And I was like, oh, it's bad. Sure gonna be looking for another slip-on though. I'm not gonna run this forever, but like I said, for the time being, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and the R1 content continues. I'm sure this isn't gonna be the last mod I do, so stay tuned. I got the front fender I'm probably throwing on the next video, and then we'll do a POV ride. So I'm gonna end the video off right there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, comment down below anything you want, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe. We're on the road to 15K subscribers, and like I always say, man, it feels unreal. I appreciate you guys so much, and man, 15,000, pretty crazy how we're coming up on that. But like I said, man, thank you guys for all you guys do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the little clips I got of the exhaust setup. I'm excited, man. Excited for what the future holds. Also need to start ordering up some camera gear and get some proper content of this thing because it's something to see. It's really something special. So yeah, leave it off right there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I love y'all, man. Later.